Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah Peter.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Woo!
Happy birthday, Sarah.
My name is Jen Cram. I am an assistant professor of animation and game arts here at Moore College of Art and Design. I can say with no hesitation that it is some of the most gratifying work I have ever done in my career.
What makes More special is that it helps students form good artistic habits, and we create friendships that last for a lifetime.
When I graduated, I was super thankful for the community that I was in. I always felt very safe in this place. I always felt like I was seen and heard. I learned a lot about myself and what it means for me to be a woman artist. And I think if I didn't come to Moore and experience that within this space, that I don't think I would be the same person that I am right now. So I felt really ready for the world when I graduated.
Your support would be a huge boon to making sure that we can keep on top of industry trends and industry technologies, but also expose them to role models through our programming and our event schedules so that our students can network and learn and see people who look like them. These events are invaluable, and with your support, I believe we can create more and expose our students to even more opportunities in the field. Thank you so much.